Welcome to this 3-minute beginner's guide to ChatGPT interface. If you're new to ChatGPT, I'll give you a walkthrough about the interface of ChatGPT. Let's jump in. First, we start with the home screen. If you look at your ChatGPT, it has two sides. We have the left sidebar that contains the new chat and your chat histories and your settings. Your settings is down here and your settings. And then we have this other bar, sidebar, which is the message bar. And the message bar, this is where you type in your prompt. You see this plus sign. This plus sign is when you want to add photos. Like if I click on this, it will take me to add photos for deep research, for shopping, to create image, agent mode, and more. And then this is to dictate. In case I want to dictate, if you see the microphone, that's for dictating. And this is to use voice mode. Maybe I want to talk to ChatGPT about something and I want it to respond back. And the next thing is the model selection. We have the model selection here. That's when you decide to, if you don't want to use 5.1, you can change to other GPTs like the 5 instant, the 5 thinking, or the 4.0. And then back to the sidebar navigation. Here you can see where it says search your bar, your library, your explores, your GPT. You see, when you click on explore, you see a lot of GPTs. It asks you to create GPTs. My GPT, if you want to create your GPT, see, you say create your GPT, and then you add all those other good stuff here. And then we have the settings. In the settings, this is where you see how to upgrade your plan. Maybe you want to change from the basic ChatGPT to the Pro, that's GPT Plus, or personalizations or setting. If you click on this one, you will see maybe you want ChatGPT to respond to you casually or in a professional way. All those things, custom instruction like, okay, this is how you should respond to me like a genius, respond to me like an expert. Your nickname, occupation, more about you. If you really are using this for a business, I advise you add more about you. Like download everything about you to ChatGPT, memories, all these should be put on. This will help ChatGPT to remember things about you, things you've told ChatGPT already, so that it doesn't forget that. Accounts, where you see all those things. Parental control, when you're adding, maybe you're adding somebody into this, maybe your kids, you can actually put you can password this so that they don't get into ChatGPT anytime. Security, data control. If you don't want your data to be used to improve ChatGPT, you can toggle it off here. Order, schedules, apps. These are other apps that are all connected to ChatGPT. You can click on one app and connect it to your ChatGPT. You see all your connectors. You can connect your emails. You can connect your Google Drive. All those things. So that's basically about the interface of the ChatGPT interface and essential settings. You now know exactly where everything is and how to personalize your ChatGPT to make it work better for you. If you want a longer version, a slick deck, or a beginner's course, just let me know. And that is it for today.